Jasmine is known as a very beautiful summer season flowering plant, and it is a very easy to grow plant also. You can start a new jasmine plant by buying it from nursery, or you can also divide it from your other jasmine plants. Jasmine plant have a very sweet smell that attracts every gardener to grow it in its garden or home. Therefore, in this video, I am going to show you the air layering technique by which you can multiply your jasmine plants very easily. Air layering is the best method to start a new jasmine plant, and it is so easy that even a beginner can do it. So hello everyone, this is our gardening channel for plants health and care. So if you also interested in plants, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start to our topic. First of all, you need a healthy jasmine plant that is growing and don't have any pest attack. I am using my this old jasmine plant. Always choose a healthy and mature jasmine plant to air layer it. The other most important point is the best season to do this process. Rainy season is going on and you can propagate your jasmine plant in this season very easily. You can use this method in the whole growing season from March to August. In these months the jasmine plant grows very fastly. Now choose a healthy mature branch to air layer your jasmine plant. Mature branch have more power to produce roots. For the soil mix, I am using a mix of cocoa peat and sand in equal ratios. Make the soil a very little moist and make sure it is only a little moist, don't add too much water. Now you need to remove leaves from the node area because node area is the point from where roots starts their growth. Take a piece of polythene or plastic wrap. Add soil in the polythene and tie it around the node area as I am doing. Make sure the polythene is not moving around, you have tie the string tightly. So this is the whole method, and now leave the plant without disturbing it for at least 1 to 2 months. In the past month, I have air layered my jasmine plant on 2 branches, and after 38 days, now the polythene is showing me some roots, so it is time to unwrap them, and take a look at what is happening. Take a sharp cutter to cut out this branch. Make sure your cutter is disinfected. For this you can use alcohol pad or any other disinfective solution. Cut the branch just below the air layered area. Slowly remove the polythene, don't damage the roots. So this is the result. The jasmine plant had grown beautiful roots. It is time to put it into the soil. Before that, soak the roots into the water for a while. For making a good quality soil mix for our jasmine plants, I am using a mix of sand, compost, and soil. Add the soil into the pot and put our jasmine plant into the soil and add more soil. Slightly hit the pot with the ground to remove air pockets and press the soil a little to give support to the plant. Add frequent amount of water into the soil, make the whole soil moist. Now you have to place this pot into the shady area for about a week. It helps the roots to get out of the transplant shock. So this is the whole method of growing jasmine plant from air layering. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Hit the subscribe button to get more updates from our channel. Thanks for watching.